Introducing custom SMTP in Timetics AI. Now, all your booking emails are sent using your own business email and branding instead of Timetics AI, giving your customer a more professional and trusted experience. Let's see how to set it up. Before getting started, collect your SMTP credentials from your email provider. Now, open your Timetics AI dashboard and then integrations, then open SMTP email and click on connect. Enter your SMTP host, port number, username. This is the email address that is already created in your email provider. Then password for that email address, choose the correct encryption method, then provide your from email address and from name. Your customers will see this name when they receive your emails. Once everything is filled in, click send test email. Timetics AI will send a verification email using your SMTP server. If it is successful, your SMTP connection will be verified. Finally, click on Save and Connect. Before custom SMTP, booking emails were sent using Timetics AI's email branding. Now, booking confirmations and other notifications are sent from your own business email, displaying your own business name instead of Timetics AI, creating a fully branded experience for your customers. That's it. With custom SMTP, your business stays front and center in every customer email.